Hi
guys.
We're doing another rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright guys, this time is with Lebanese pizza, not kids pizza. Right now, come on.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Exactly. I'm back guys, I'm back. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh no guys. Is that just in the kids please?
Ý thằng rồi.
Okay guys, that's all for today. Goodbye.